The first one is the script that I created right here. This is the one base44 gave me. I copied it into a notepad and then saved it as a .ps1 as the file extension. Then the second piece is the batch file that's going to execute first, because your PC is unable to run a PowerShell script directly through scheduled tasks, but it can run a batch file. So what we're doing now up here is creating this batch file. So we're saying echo off to ensure the visibility, and then rem change to the directory where your PowerShell script is located. So we're going to change the system to the directory to point to exactly where the script is. And I'm going to save it in this folder called scripts. And then in there, we're going to execute the particular PS1 script that we have. Simple as that. So we're telling the computer every night at 11:30, go run this small file right here, the batch file. And then this file's command is to go run this PS1 script. When this PS1 script runs, it makes a call out to the internet all the way to Sonic Combinator and then executes that particular function on the website, which generates a blog. Hit save on both of those, make sure they're just modified, time is accurate, and then let's open up scheduled tasks and create our task. So we did this earlier, Windows R, and then task, schd.msc, hit OK, and then this will open. This is scheduled tasks, task scheduler up here. So let's go ahead and create a new task. The file, so over to the right, create task. We're going to give it a name, blog generate for, give it a nice description, on soniccombinator.com. Keep everything else default. We want to run this only when we're logged in, and then check triggers. And then trigger is when this will actually happen. So we want this to be a time-based event, a time-based trigger. So it's going to be on a schedule. We're going to say daily. It starts today, so tonight. And the time we picked was 11:30 p.m. And it recurs every single day, and it doesn't expire. Perfect. Hit OK. And now at 11:30, something happens. What happens? That's the action. The action is we want to start a program. And that program is the batch file we created. So let's go to Sonic Combinator where we saved this in our scripts folder. And here's the batch file we just created. Hit open and then say OK. And OK again. And now double check. We have our scheduled task here. Generate a blog. Status is ready. And then we're waiting for 11:30 tonight to go and execute this, and it expires never. So that should be all set, but never end a project without testing it first. So let's go ahead and test this.